Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to convert a expression to an NFA. So the first thing we're gonna show is, let's say that I have this symbol, and we say that it equals A and B. So how do we represent this? We need to convert it into a form that we understand. So this is the conversion. So the alphabet is converted to A unite B, or the union of all the alphabet in the set. Okay, so now let's start representing each one of the ones in the alphabet. So we have A, and A is represented like this. So you have the start state, and then you have the transition A, and then you have the accept state. To represent B, it's in the same way. So any one element in the alphabet will be represented in this way, and the difference would be the change in the alphabet for the transition. So if we want to represent the alphabet, then we need to represent it in this form, which is A unite B. So each one of the sides of the unite will be represented with a branch. So we start with adding a new start state and connecting each one of the branches with a empty transition. And then we just take the branch as is and represent it. So the same one that we represented for A, and here the same one that we represented for B. So this is how we represent unite. So if we want to represent the alphabet star, so again we break it down into A unite B all star. And so to represent that, we're going to use what we just created, which is A unite B, and then we're going to convert it to star. So when we want to convert anything to star, we always add the accept state, and then we have an empty string that connects to the same representation. And so here we have the same representation that we have on top, and we're just gonna put it as is. So there are just a few changes, which is the addition of the start state over here, but also we need to have every accept state go to the beginning like this. So it goes to the old start state in the union, and these are empty transitions. So what if we wanted to represent just one of the alphabet, which is a star? In this case, again, we always add the accept state because star means 0 or many occurrences. So this is how we represent the 0, that the accept state is at the start state. And then we just place A as is, right? And then connect it like this with the empty string. And here we have A. And then we have every accept state go back to the so we connect the accept state to the beginning with an empty string. If we wanted to represent B plus, then we represent it as B star, right? So this is a form that we can recognize and we can work with. And so what we're going to do first is that we need to have a one occurrence of B before we accept. So there's going to be no accept state here because we need to have one occurrence of B, so we'll add that. And then if we don't have anything else, then meaning that the B star has 0 occurrences, at least we have the B that has to be there. And then we connect the other part with a B star. So a B star would be represented like this. So we have the except state if we have one occurrence of B, and if we have more occurrences of B, the empty transition will continue to loop until we have seen all of the B's. And so this is how you can do unite and also concatenation. We can see the concatenation here for B and B star. So this is actually a concatenation of these two. So we know how to concatenate. We know how to unite. We know how to unite and then have the unite as a star, and we also know how to do a star with one of the alphabet.